Everyone, I'm going to be showing you how to use a web tool called S'more. So you're going to need to log on to s'more.com and create an account. I'm already signed into mine, but if you don't have an account, you'll see that when you log on to the website, there will be a sign in button on the upper right hand, sign up button on the upper right hand corner. Just click that. You can sign up with email or Facebook. I recommend email just because you want to keep it professional if you're using this for school, but whatever you choose, just do that. And this screen right here is what you're going to see as soon as you sign up or log into your account. So as you can see, S'more is a site that helps you create online flyers. This is helpful because you can use the flyers to create reference guides for students to look at while creating assignments or studying. You can advertise an event for the school. You can put assignments on there if you want to embed a Google form on there. So I'm going to go ahead and get started showing you how to use this. So you're going to click on Start a New Flyer. And here I'm going to start from blank. So if I were creating a flyer, I would need to put the title here. So let's say maybe I do one about the Danielson framework. You could put a subtitle here. If you don't want a subtitle, you don't want to just leave it blank because otherwise the text add subtitle here will actually show up. So I don't want a subtitle, so I'm just going to hit my space bar to put a space there, hit done, and there we have no subtitle right here. You can put another title under here as a subtitle, like underneath. So here maybe I want to say Domain 1, Planning and Preparation. And here I can put a description with details, and I can use bullet points, numbering, bold, italicized, or underlined text, and hit done once I'm ready. You can add more text, like that. If I decide I don't want that, I can hit cancel. You can also add a picture. You would click, you can either do one big photo or a photo gallery, but you would click here and you can, on whichever one you want. I chose the photo, and you can either drag a picture onto the spot, or if you click, you can choose one from your computer. But I don't want to add a picture, so I'll show you how to delete this. You just will hit the X here and click remove. So then you can add an event, put the name of the event, when it starts and ends, where it takes place, the details about it. It's another option. You can put audio in. Just copy a URL from SoundCloud and paste it right here. Hit embed and that will show up. You can embed a link by copying and pasting it right here. You can do YouTube, Vimeo, ShopLocket, as it says right here. You can also insert a Google form. If you were to do that, you would, again, copy and paste the URL right in this spot, hit embed. So I'm going to do that right now just to show you what it looks like to insert something. So I'm going to, on my Google form page, I'm going to click send form. Then I'm going to copy and paste the link to share. Then I'm going to come back here, Control V to paste it, and hit embed. And here we have an example of a survey from a Google form uploaded onto S'more. You can add another title. So maybe I want to say, have my components here. You can put a link also so that when the user clicks on the title, it brings them to a specific website. That's another option. Here is if you want to add a photo gallery, as I said before. You can also insert some information about yourself in a bio. So you can put maybe about me, and then write about yourself. You can put links to social media, email, phone number, just any way that you would like to, any information you're willing to give out. You can also put a picture there of yourself. For videos, you can copy and paste a video URL right in here from Vimeo, YouTube, Viddler. Those are the sites that will work with S'more. So that will embed the video right up here, just like the survey is embedded. And so once you're done with all those pieces, you can save it. It will auto-save, but you can come over here and choose another design. So instead choose handwritten. I kind of like that one, so I'll use that. You can change your background. Maybe I like these colored pencils. That looks good. You can change your colors. Pink, red. Fonts you can also change. I kind of like, that one looks good. And then once you're ready, you can hit done editing. Once you've finished. And then it will load. In here, you can share it on Twitter if you hit tweet, the Twitter icon. I can tweet this out. And then also you can click here on show analytics. It's not going to work right now because it needs to have at least 30 people look at it before it shows you the analytics, but it can show you what kind of activity they're doing on the S'more. But yeah, that's how you use S'more. So I hope you enjoyed, and I hope that you can figure out ways to incorporate this with your lessons and students. Thank you.